So just yesterday, Cardano Whales are back at it again. Gigantic whale volume, incoming price reversal coming here. We've already come off the bottom at 25 cents. Cardano, albeit it's been a slow mover, we know the potential Cardano has. All of the things that have been lining up perfectly in the last 2.5 years gives Cardano, I think, a huge advantage when it comes to which top layer ones, top 10 crypto projects right now have the chance to absolutely explode in the next bull cycle. I'm placing a lot of my chips on Cardano. It's my third largest holding behind Bitcoin, Ethereum right now, and right above Caspa, which is another cryptocurrency I absolutely am bullish on. But this Cardano reversal is a big deal considering that we had a little bit of a sell-off. There was a little bit of a scare, and Cardano was listed in that whole lawsuit with the Kraken, incident. Albeit, though, we didn't see Cardano sell off immensely, right? That was big. And, we saw this volume come back in the form of Cardano Whales. According to data from Into the Block, Cardano Whale transactions jumped about 12%. And we saw a huge volume spike of around $9.5 billion yesterday. And we can hop into the charts here, take a look at where Cardano is today, up about 3% here on the day. And that is good to see after that little bit of a sell-off. We've been coming down to about that 35-cent level and bouncing here in the last month. We're bouncing off it again right here. So from a technical standpoint, we're still trying to get over that 40-cent barrier and stay there. We've got up there a few times, just have not been able to solidify ourselves. We're really eyeing that 45-cent target. Let me go over to ADA here on the charts. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. This is our reversal, our bounce from the bottom down here. We got the momentum up, signal flash, using our XT algo, our trading indicator. This is my company, by the way, if you're interested in checking it out. Links down below. Big discount codes right now. Listen, if you don't want to buy it from me, that's fine. 85% of people out there are using some type of indicator like this to make money. This thing works. I mean, it's used on stocks, crypto, whatever you need it to work on. You could set customized alerts. I am not a professional trader, okay? I do not claim to be a professional day trader. This is why I had a tool built. I am very lucky in the sense that I had some extra capital in order to have this tool built out by the professionals. I've been using it, and it's helping me create great entry points and make money in this market. It can help you too. Links down below. But we're looking at this 45-cent mark here, guys. This top right here that was set back in April. That is what we're eyeing, and if we could close that gap and get above it, look out, because then Cardano could really start to ramp up. We have not come up there just yet. We almost got there back in July. We're about right at where we are right now, but this has been a nice upward trajectory and really nice consolidation happening. And again, that red day yesterday, followed by a nice green candle today here for Cardano. Really, really good to see there. And again, the whales really helping us out, coming in there and adding to their bags. And how about the potential implications for Cardano's price? Let's check this out. It says here, Cardano, since the start of the year, demonstrated its grit and capability to stay relevant as a functional blockchain network. With the launch of a number of different products and upgrades and innovations, Cardano has outshined its peers in total GitHub commits and other key performance markers. We have seen just a ton of different upgrades take place. However, the massive bullish ride in Cardano's whale volume is not translating to massive price action. At the moment, the coin is trading at a spot value of around 37 cents, and we are seeing it kind of hold the line there. But I do think big retail demand will come, along with more institutional demand once we get back into a better environment. We saw Cardano fly past $3 in the previous bull cycle. We've got professionals out there with price targets of $15 all the way up to $24. Yeah, Coin Bureau recently talked about that. So I'm really excited with where I'm at. I feel really comfortable holding Cardano long term. And listen, it's just one of those assets that I feel really good about holding. I don't have to check it every single day to see how much it's down or up. We're up 45% here in the last month, slowly but surely ticking back up. So Cardano fam, absolutely love where we are. Before we close out the video, I do want to talk about a company that sponsored this portion of the video today. This is Cryptonomy, and this is all about investing in the new digital assets economy. Cryptonomy is primarily a venture fund that actively engages with the launch pool in which you participate in. And you can also get funding if you're an actual product owner or company owner as well. But this is like pretty much similar to investing with the VCs, right? Really actually a cool idea. And I've created an account over here and I've gotten into some of their new launches with some of that allocation that I put over there. And I'll tell you what, I can show you this, my account here and what I've been doing over here. So we've got a couple different things I want to show you here. Flexible deposits. This is an interesting way to accrue interest, and it's credited in your accrued interest section. So we can actually go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and do it with Shiba Inu. We can put a little bit in here. We can, let's see, minimum deposit. We'll go over that level here. They have a minimum requirement. There it is. And we can see here, fixed rate is plus 51% more than their flexible interest rate. And there's their APY that they provide you based on all of their big wins that they've had with new launches through their launch pool. I've successfully deposited funds into the flexible interest account there with SHIB, and that gives you an idea on how this works. And if we go over here and you go to the fixed staking section on their back end, you'll see kind of what's happening here. And you can see some of my available funds that I have here. And while you're making deposits, you can also check out the fixed staking, which is much more profitable than flexible staking right here. And you also have the option to enable the monthly interest feature as well when you create a fixed deposit. So there you go. You could check all that out. And we'll go ahead and do one of these too so you can just see what it looks like. There for Ethereum, we can do, let's do a 6-month. Let's do a 6-month there. And, well, actually, we don't have any there. We'll have to do Bitcoin. Let's do a 6-month Bitcoin. And we've got wallet balance of 0.02. So we'll do 0.01 there for 6 months. And we'll create that. There we go. So I've successfully sent a fixed account creation request. It'll be pending status until approved. So, again, this is really an interesting way to invest with the VCs. I wouldn't go all in on this, but if you had some excess income and you want to do some flexible staking, check it out, as well as some fixed staking, and then also their launch pool, which has shown some really nice promise, some new projects coming there through their launch pool, and you can see what's upcoming and their average, all-time high average ROI. Look at that, 57x. That's crazy. And they've raised a lot of money for various new projects. They're big in GameFi, 68% of their project categories in GameFi, 11% in DeFi, blockchain services 11%, 9% in the others category as well. So check it out, see if this is something that interests you guys. I'll leave it links down below for you guys to check it out. And thank you to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this portion of today's video. As it goes for Cardano, listen, that 45-cent mark is where we need to get to. Once we do, we could break loose from there. Overall, super bullish, though, on what's happening with ADA, both right now and especially what happened yesterday after that reversal. Love to see it after, a little bit of FUD there surrounding some of those top cryptos, Cardano being one of them, in that Kraken case that came down. But onward and upward we go, Cardano fam. Love you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe on your way out, and we'll talk to you all in the next video. Peace.